Do you want to finally understand the IELTS listening test and learn simple tips to get band 7 or higher? Most students lose points not because the test is difficult, but because they don't know the right strategies. So in this video, I will explain everything you need to know about IELTS listening in 2025. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share the biggest mistakes students make and how you can avoid them. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hossein and here we learn step by step how to improve our English. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell because I post videos every week to help you with IELTS and English learning. Today's topic is the IELTS listening test. By the end of this video, you will know how the test works, what strategies to use for each part, and how the scoring system works, and simple tips to improve your listening every day. Part 1. Structure of the listening test. The IELTS listening test has 4 sections. It takes about 30 minutes plus 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers. Let's break it down. Section 1. Conversation to speakers. Everyday situations, booking a ticket, asking for information, renting a flat. Usually easy vocabulary, but watch carefully for numbers, names, and spelling. Section 2. Talk 1. A speaker. A short talk may be about a new park, a museum, or a service. The speaker gives lots of details, times, places, services, directions. Number 3. Sections 3. Conversation, 3 or 4 speakers, often about education, students talking about homework or a project. This is harder because people change their minds or interrupt each other. Section 4. Lecture 1 speaker. An academic talk on topics like environment or technology, more advanced with longer sentences. Part 2. Key information. You will hear each recording only once. The difficulty goes up step by step. There are 40 questions in total. Spelling must be correct. You can write on the question paper, but remember to transfer answers to the sheet in the last minutes. Part 3. Before listening. Before the audio starts, you must prepare. Number 1. Read the questions carefully. Underline keywords. Example, what time does the museum open? Focus on time. Number 2. Predict the answer. Is it a number, a name, a place? Number 3. Check the word limit. If it says one word only and you write the library, it's wrong. Number 4. Follow the numbers, don't lose track of question order. Part 4. While listening. Here's what you do during the test. Number 1. Listen for synonyms. The question and the audio may use different words. For example, question says car, but the audio says vehicle. Number 2. Watch for distractors. The meeting is on Friday. Oh wait, no, it's on Saturday. Number 3. Follow the word count. If the question says 2 words, don't write 3. Number 4. Check spelling and handwriting. Numbers like 14 and 40 can sound similar. If the examiner can't read your handwriting, you lose the point. Number 5, don't panic if you miss one answer. Just move on. Better to lose 1 point than 5. Part 5, what skills are tested? The IELTS listening exam tests your ability to understand main idea, the general message, details, numbers, dates, times, opinions, agree or disagree, attitude, positive, negative, purpose, why the speaker is talking, development, how ideas move from start to end. Example, many people think it's dangerous, but studies show it's safe. Attitude is positive. Part 6, section by section tips. Section 1, focus on names, phone numbers, addresses. Example, is that a Smith with an I or a Smith with a Y? Section 2, one speaker giving information. Could include maps or directions. The tip is, while reading questions, imagine the place in your mind. Section 3, 3 or 4 speakers in a conversation. The most confusing part because people often disagree. The tip is, listen for words like actually, however, on the other hand. Section 4, academic lecture, the hardest part. No pauses, just continuous talk. The tip is, take short notes, focus on keywords, not full sentences. Part 7, common mistakes to avoid. Writing more than allowed. Misspelling words. Getting stuck on one question. Forgetting to transfer answers. Speaking to yourself and losing focus. Worrying too much about one mistake. Part 8, scoring system. So if you want to know about your band, so you should know how many questions you did it. Just a few answers can change your score. Part 9, how to improve every day. Listen to podcasts and note keywords. Watch movies with subtitles, then without subtitles. Practice IELTS sample tests every week. Listen to different accents, British, American, Australian, Canadian, and shadowing technique. Repeat what you hear. So that's the complete guide to IELTS listening in 2025. Remember, predict before you listen. Watch out for distractors. Don't panic if you miss something. Always check spelling and word count. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Leave your questions in the comments and I'll answer them in future videos. And I always remember, no one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care and see you in the next video.